My question is relating to GST. It's a goods and simple tax. What we are presuming, or in the entire industry as a common people, everybody is expecting that it should be a goods and simple tax. We know the objective is the ease of doing business. You wanted to reduce complexity of law. At the same time, you wanted to reduce the litigation and the corruption and smooth administration. And of course, the government is interested to increase the revenue. But ma'am, sometimes suggestions what we have given has been not taken from that perspective. Now I am not putting all the facts before you. I am just asking you one time which you can allocate. We can come to Delhi. I am representing a cost accountant association from Pune. Because there are 5 suggestions, ma'am, which you will not take it from that perspective. As officers, don't take from that perspective. But they are the real, I will say they are the real problem making in the GST. If those concerns are addressed even without changing the law structure at all, without changing that, it will reduce a lot of burden and everybody will be happy in that. Really, it will be termed as a goods and simple tax. As on today, everybody is cursing the government, industry is cursing, consultants are cursing, auditors are cursing. Sorry, sir, let me come to that.
No, you may conclude, but I'm sorry, I object.
Okay.
I object.
The reason
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I wish you hold on for a minute.
Yeah.
And it's better if you will just, put it in a short.
I would fully hear him. I will give him time in Delhi. You can come with 50 people if you want, with 5 or 50 of your recommendations.
Right.
But I'm sorry, no. In this country, after a long time, with so many parties in the parliament, and with so many state governments, why all state governments working together, we have come up with something. Suddenly, I'm sorry to say this, I'm sure you have your experience based on which you're saying this. Okay. Suddenly, we can't suddenly say, oh, what a goddamn structure is this? It's giving us this pain, it is giving us, I'm sorry, yeah? It's only 2 years. I wish from day one it met with your satisfaction. But I'm sorry it is not met with your satisfaction.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But you together with all of us are party to it. Let's own it up. On GST, I honestly want each one of us to give us solutions for better compliance.
Yes, that is what my intention.
One minute. Since you've been so harsh on the GST, to which all of us have a bit of a responsibility in this country. And I will do as much as is required to meet and hear everyone's views. But we can't just damn it. We can't just damn it. It's been passed in the parliament.
Yeah.
It's been passed in every state assembly. It might have its flaws. It might probably give you difficulties. But I'm sorry, it's a kanoon of this country. I would appeal to you all to work together to make sure that we are able to have a better framework if it's giving problems now. But don't damn it like that.
No, I'm saying people are making that opinion, whereas it is not like that. That is what I'm bringing to your notice.
All right, but
yeah.
the way you went about it didn't sound like that.
My intention is that what people are forming that opinion.
Thank you,
the reason
but then carry on.
Yeah.
People's opinion is coming with so much of emotion from you.
Small corrections
without
only.
any commitment.
Yeah.